Do you get a lot of stuff where you go to use a bright color and then there's just black?
Yeah, all the time.
Because my favorite color is black. There's black in all of my brushes. My brushes are ridiculous. They don't like it. So that, hair.
Well, I am wearing a velvet dress, so that would be my number one note.
But it makes me want to pet you.
Well, nail professionals, please note, do not wear black velvet to work. Like, I'm Italian.
And paint a white nail.
Exactly. Like,
it's not good. Oh, 10 seconds, 9.
I'm almost there.
8.
I'm gonna do a little
You should
swag.
explain to me what you're doing as you do it,
Am
so
I
that I have
supposed
some more to go. Yeah, you're allowed. We were doing it all day today.
Okay, we don't need
it's not
to
a
cure
competition.
This. Don't need to cure.
We don't need to cure this?
No, so I'm gonna put that there.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. Is this my
you.
banana? Oh, I know what you're doing here. Okay, I know where you're at. I like the pigment in this.
Me too.
It's making me a little bit happy. And I think we're going the same direction here, but I need to make a little bit more of a... Can I ask her to do something for me? Are we allowed to like help each other if we give direction? That would be so great.
Am I allowed to help you? I don't think I am.
Like open a bottle, that would be rad.
Which bottle? I can open a bottle for you.
I would really love that blue eyeshadow opened.
That's not true.
I don't think it's true.
I think it was already open. I don't know. Are you like me? Like when you work, and are you like creative and a little bit messy, or what's
I'm
it
completely
like?
messy.
Okay.
My office is ridiculous.
Okay.
And whatever I'm working with tends to end up on my face and in my hair.
Do your clients tell you? Because sometimes...
No, they laugh at me. They say that I look like a fairy like tooted on me or something. They think it's awesome.
Oh my god.
They're
or when
really
you find
not
like
very
glitter
cool
in like
about
your
it.
underwear, right?
Dude, I find glitter in places one should not ever find glitter. I think it's rude.
Oh, this is looking good. Oh.
Creating your pupil, how's that?
That's a big pupil.
It's not very like starting yet, but it's gonna go there, I promise.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna go in for the hair. Since you kind of went wild on that eye, we'll let you fix that. Yeah.
Lemon yellow, lemon yellow.
Light.
It's so sexy.
Light pressure.
Light. Very light. I'm gonna get that eye. I'm gonna make you proud. You're gonna be like, oh, I did want to paint with that girl. I never get to do detail work like this anymore. I only really do it for runway work or for photo work.
Oh no!
In the salon, but don't do it very much anymore. Now I gotta make this eye look like an eye.
Yeah.
Instead of a psycho dot.
Because right now it looks like...
It looks like a psycho dot.
It's kind of awesome though.
I got you. Oh yeah, I do like this.
Between us both, these are going to be
Yeah. We win. All done. Challenge over. Drag queen eyelashes because I like to wear them like this.
Oh my goodness. Are you going all libertine?
Yeah, duh. Did you see the eyes I did for Libertine a while back?
I did.
I have them in a pin still and I will wear them sometimes.
Oh, that's awesome.
I wonder how many times I'm going to name drop Libertine this week. As many times as possible.
Not 17 seconds.
Oh, should I see if I can outline this in 17 seconds?
Yeah, or is there one more step?
Top coat. I think we're done.
Oh, well, then you gotta go fast, girl.
I'm working on it.
4, 3, 2, 10, 9.
That should have been like,
I
hit
tried,
the timer
I
like,
tried,
no, I totally
tried.
did it. They just need top coat, but we can say they're done. Top coat. Top coat?
Oh my goodness. Honestly, this is kind of creepy outfit.
I love it. This is your creeper eye. But I'm happy. Are you happy? I'm happy. Yay. You did a good job. Everybody's high-fiving over the table. It's good. It's good. So we just completed the C&D Shellac Luxe Loft Challenge.